Design and analysis of hemispheric building. About the project. The main objective of this project is to study analysis and design of monolithic concrete dome. And we also study the design of structural element of the dome, such as shell structure, ring beam, column, and footing, and do analysis of structure for carrying various loads like dead loads, wind loads, and seismic loads. Here the software used will be StatPro. Next topic is planning, analysis, and design of swimming pool. About the project. In this project, we study the behavior of swimming pool as per the considered position of pool at the high-rise regular building. RCC framed building with a different position of swimming pools are taken in the study. The walls or plates of pools are subjected to hydraulic pressure due to water present along with the base of the swimming pool. The research also includes the study of seismic action on the surface plate of swimming pool. Here, plate stress behavior. Here, compressive stresses, lateral loads, story shear are also considered. The main target is to achieve the efficient swimming pool position which can be applied in the high-rise building. Next topic is design and analysis of indoor stadium. About the project. This project focuses on analysis and design of indoor stadium of G+2 floor. All the structural elements are designed as per the coded provision. The key feature is the event space in the lowest point, allowing the maximum visibility. Here, analysis is done with ETABS since it contains powerful graphical interface with modeling, analytical, and design procedure. It can also handle the largest and most complex buildings. Next topic is analysis and design of bus terminals. Bus terminal is an essential component of urban transportation facility. A well-planned or managed bus terminal will act as catalyst to the social and economical development. In this project, we do an architectural planning and designing of whole bus terminal. We design a steel garage, for bus repairing house, and bus storage. We also do material estimation, car parking management, and general structural framework. The design and analysis of bus terminal will be completed using StatPro. Next topic is dynamic analysis of multi-story building for different shape. About the project. Building with irregular are vulnerable to the earthquake damages. So it is essential to spot the seismic response of the structure, even in high seismic zones, to avoid the seismic damages in the building. Here we also study the story overturning moments, story drift, displacement, and design of. During this purpose, a 15-story building of different shapes are compared. The complete model is analyzed with the assistance of ETAP software. Thank you.